guys, welcome to How to Travel for Less. My name is Igor and you know the rest. Today we're going to Koh Larn Island. It's a very bad engine noise. I'll talk to you later. Let's go. Let's see what's happening here. Friends from Thailand. Hey guys, we are on the island here and trying to find a way to the beach. I guess we're gonna get a taxi. We'll go which beach we're gonna go. It's a big island. And follow us please. Enjoy the video. Yeah, we're gonna grab a taxi and go somewhere. I'm following the guys, you'll see. It's enough room here.
Кабину. Нет, все нормально, садись.
Okay.
Кабину.
Guys, here we are. It's called what? Monkey Beach here? I don't know. We'll figure out where we are later.
Иван, как тебе дела?
Hey guys, we are walking to the beach. Beautiful girls here everywhere. Hello. Beautiful day, guys. Not many people.
Да нет, мы думаю, станем.
We'll check out the water here in this area. Guys, welcome to Koh Larn Island. And first check on the beach here. As I mentioned before, I saw somebody's shoes floating, but I guess they're not. They're just leftovers from shoes. The water is great. The sand is coarse, but it's nice. The water is clean. Not very busy yet, but the other end is busy. But it's a beautiful beach here, nice and clean. Nice. And this is what I heard, monkeys coming here from that hill. I don't see any at the moment, and if we came here they might be coming down from the hill. Holy smoke! This is a big thing here, wow. Look what's in the bottom of the sea here. It's a poisonous thing. If you step on it, now you can have a big problem. Не бойся, приходи ближе. Не Он не прыгает.
Он не прыгает.
Well, interesting thing. Вот. Поднимался типа. Interesting. My battery was 100%. It came to 3% now. Some clouds out here. Hey guys, check this out. I have some fish came here. Yeah, very beautiful girlfriend. It's super hot. We all like what we see here. That's why we say very nice. I have a little channel from Canada, how to travel for less. So say hi to my people. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Like monkeys came down from the tree. We will go and see. Yep. Here. Another one over there. Вот она идет к нам. Эй, обезьянь. Папи. Looking for more food to steal, I guess. Well, this is one of the beaches, guys, and we're gonna go next time to a different beach. So don't go away, stay with me. And for today we are done. I'll see you next time, and I'll make one video. And say beautiful day. We had a good time here, and stay in touch. See you later.